Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see what's the energy coming to you in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Taurus, what's up? Next 2 weeks for Taurus. Organization, mag-aayos-ayos ka daw. May ipaplano ka or may magde-declutter, may mga i-organize ka sa bahay, sa trabaho, or you are going to organize your thoughts. Yung mga naiisip mo, mga ideas mo. You also have magical powers. Wow. So yung iba sa inyo, magaling kayo mag-manifest, no? Yung inyong manifestation skills. Maari ring you are into occult arts. You are into the esoteric, spirituality, astrology, numerology, or you're someone na into manifestation, law of attraction, assumption, and then also beauty. O syempre mga Taurus, beauty talaga yan. Ruled by Venus. So in the next 2 weeks, you will also focus on your appearance, no? And beauty is not just on the outside, but also from the inside. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, merong mga you organize, decluttering, yan. Pwedeng sa bahay, nagde-declutter. And even your mind, yung isip mo, dinideclutter mo rin. Overall energy for Taurus. Okay, we got the Seven of Pentacles. This is about your patience. Maaring marami kang kailangang asikasuhin or mga proseso na kailangan mo pagdaanan. But ang importante rito is you are patient to go through that. Oo, kasi syempre, yan, waiting for fruition kasi yan eh. Parang ka nagtanim. Tapos yung mga tinanim mo, nakikita mo na yung bunga. Pero, hindi mo pa siya pwedeng pitasin kasi hindi pa hinog. Pero at least, may hinihintay ka na. Sure na, ba? Diba? Now, your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Taurus? OMG. Seven of Swords. Nako, Taurus. Mag-ingat sa mga fake. Mga fake na tao sa paligid ninyo. Maaring kung anong to malalaman mo to, mararamdaman mo to if there is someone in your life na parang hindi totoo yung pinapakita niyang intention towards you. Okay? Be careful sa mga ganyan. Some of you naman, pwedeng may mga plano kayo na hindi nyo ipapaalam sa kahit na sino. Kasi nga, maaring that's your way of protecting your plans, your ideas, diba? Your goals. Let's see your opportunity. What's the opportunity? You have the 9 of Wands. Meron ka opportunity na ma-accomplish yung mga kailangan mong matapos. Nakakapagod siya, pero worth it siya. Okay? This is about resilience. Na sa buhay naman kasi, pag may sinimulan ka, syempre, sa una mahirap ang startup, 'di ba? New beginnings. Exciting siya kasi new beginnings, pero usually mahirap pag nagsisimula, 'di ba? But ang importante is yung iyong stability, consistency. Yes. So, ang importante sa'yo, you are consistent. Kung consistent ka, then therefore, makukuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. Now, your blessing, what's the blessing? The blessing, ayan. 5 of Cups. Oh, As a blessing, this is about chances. So, maaring meron kang bibigyan ng pagkakataon sa buhay mo na gawin ulit or maging parte ulit ng buhay mo. This can be yung dati mong trabaho or dati mong pangarap na this time, you will do better. Kumbaga. Kasi binigyan mo na ng chance yung sarili mo. But pay attention sa mga taong magta-try na bumalik sa buhay mo. Kasi pwedeng yung kanilang intention is hindi ganun ka sigurado or hindi ganun ka clear. So you have to make sure na clear yung intentions nila. Even pagdating rin sa'yo, na let's say, gusto mo ba talagang balikan pa yung na-miss mo na opportunity o mag-move on ka na lang from there, diba? But I think this is about, clarity for you. Na, ano rin kasi to minsan feeling guilty tayo, parang walang closure. But, minsan, may mga bagay na hindi na kailangan ng closure. Kasi hanggang doon na lang talaga yun. And I think the blessing here is you will realize kung gusto mo pa ba talaga ang isang bagay, tao, sitwasyon sa buhay mo o hindi na. Now, your kaperahan, money, career, finances. Okay. Ooh, judgment. Things are changing for your money. May rebirth dito. So, iba sa inyo, bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong business. And hindi lang to basta bago kasi it comes with a lesson. Kumbaga nanggaling siya sa isang lesson na natutunan mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Kaya may magsisimula ulit sa buhay mo. Now, your love life, you have the Fool. Ooh. Ayan na nga, baka literal na the Fool to, no? Oh, so mag-ingat sa relationship na papasukin, lalo na kung bago pa lang nga, 'di ba? Oo. Kailangan kilalanin mo muna yung tao na yan. Kasi this is also about taking risks pagdating sa relationship. So, alam mo dapat yung pros and cons ng connection na ito. But if you are already in a relationship, I see this as freedom. Oo. Kalayaan. Pwede naman kasing magkaroon ka ng kalayaan na nasa relasyon ka pa eh. Pwedeng pag-usapan nyo, no? Or literal na you will, let go of a relationship or a situation para sa sarili mong kalayaan. Diba? Synchronicity. This is alignment. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo, sign, isa sang senyales na kung madalas kayong makakita ng mga numbers, repeating numbers, 111, 222, 333, you have to take note of those numbers and tandaan mo rin kung ano yung nangyayari during that time na nakita mo yan and ano yung meaning nun. You can look it up sa internet. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.